One of the most common and essential requirement is whom to opt, whom to choose as your guide, whom do you want yourselves to be mentored by, who should be your proper guidance. Now, when we speak about the terms of mentoring, guiding, and the terms of teaching, it is very important when it comes to study something new, to gain knowledge, or to impart education. For a young learner, when he or she opts for a new course or when they start learning something new, they look up to their guide, their mentor, the teacher. If the teacher is not accurate, if the teacher is not precise, if the teacher himself or herself does not have the suitable knowledge related to any course, how will they guide their young students, the young minds? It is very important for the young minds to have this calculation within them to choose which is best for them, because they cannot neglect this basic fact of choosing an appropriate mentor. A mentor is seen to be playing the role of a godfather or a godmother, because this is what the young learners look up to. They are more influential to them as concerned by their own relatives or friends or the surroundings. So when a mentor or a guide, act as an influencer in a young learner's life, it is very important that you choose someone who is actually influencing you and helping you push your potentials to an extreme level of improvement, and not choosing someone who is not precise and accurate with his or her work and does not know what he or she is teaching. So, friends, the very first step before starting something new should be to opt for a trainer, a guide, a mentor, a teacher who is precise, accurate, and have the knowledge and the will to impart an education that will last for a longer run in your life.